Welcome to part 2 of creating a mailing with the email creator. Start with your logo. In the input mask of the module, you can also adjust the text and link to the web view of your mailing. Tip: use the AGNITAS tag for forms instead of the link. This way the link is personalized directly and correctly. In addition to the logo, you will find numerous other settings options for background colors, fonts, etc. Now select your logo in the media pool. Afterwards, fill out the remaining fields and confirm with Apply. Now proceed the same way with each block. For free text fields, you can switch between the HTML and the WYSIWYG editor as desired. Tip: with the AGNITAS tag title, you can address your recipients personally. Simply enter the ID of your greeting here. Side note: you will find all standard greetings in the Forms of Salutation menu. You can also create your own. With the AGNITAS tags, you determine whether you address the recipients with first names and/or surnames. An overview of all tags can be found in the manual in Appendix A. In addition to the content, you can specify who should see it in each block. You only need to select something here if the content does not apply to all recipients of your mailing. You can add further blocks to your mailing at any time. In the right column, you can see all available blocks. Simply drag the element to the desired position. You can resize it if necessary. Note: content for different target groups can also be layered. This can be identified by the border and the numbering. If you need a new line, simply click on the plus sign in the right bar. You can remove unnecessary lines with the trash can function. Important: don't forget to include the unsubscribed link in your mailing. You can also insert this link with the AGNITAS tags for forms. You can find out more in our manual under Help. Once you have finished making your changes, click Save. Since not everyone can receive HTML mails, we recommend that you also provide a text version. This also increases deliverability. Now switch to the Text Modules tab. On the right side, you will see a preview of your mailing. It is already displayed as your test recipient will receive it. On the left, you can edit the blocks of the text version. After you have entered all content, check the preview here as well. In the Styles tab, you can further customize color settings, for example the background color. Simply enter the desired color code and confirm with Save. If you want to send attachments, add them here. In the Links tab, you have the option to adjust the settings for the links in your mailing. You can find out more in the online help. The Premium Inbox Preview feature lets you check how your mailing is displayed for a variety of popular email clients, browsers, and devices. In the Preview tab, you can check your completed mailing once again for recipients with different target group characteristics. If you are satisfied with the preview, it is advisable to carry out a test mailing to selected recipients. After a successful test, you can schedule the final delivery. To do this, click on Configure. The system will show you how many recipients your mailing would have at the moment. Now, set the date and time for the dispatch. The other settings are optional. After clicking on Send, you will be asked a security question. Confirm this again with Send. Now your mailing is scheduled to be sent. Don't worry, you can cancel it at any time up to 1 hour before its scheduled dispatch. After sending, you will find the results of your mailing in the remaining tabs. Congratulations! You have successfully created and sent your mailing. For more information, refer to the manual. If you are interested in an individual template or have any questions, please contact your customer advisor or support@agnitas.de.